This territory I have crossed don't even have a name. So wild a stranger could get lost, but pretty just the same. I don't have much of anything, no home, no child or wife. I only own the open range and what's left of my life. Can I buy a ticket with my solitude in a different past, and write a happy ending to a story that might last? 'Cause time is catching up with me and gaining on me fast. And here I am with nothing hiding up my sleeve. I'm a rider from nowhere with no compass and no guide. I am carried by the wind down a trail that has no end, with no partner by my side. Just a rider from nowhere and no other man's concern. Just a shadow in the trees, shapeless, fading by degrees, past the point of no return. Can't reclaim a single breath of life or change a single spot. I can't devise some cheap disguise, be something that I'm not. But still I just might save my life with one last chance lucky shot. So here I am, a drifter dreaming in my trance. Just a rider from nowhere. I have written off the map or any border you can draw. I'm far beyond the law or the jaws of any trap. Just a rider from nowhere with a whole lot left to learn. And I'd like to be your friend, but I'm from nowhere like the wind, and to nowhere I'll return. And I'd like to be your friend, but I'm from nowhere like the wind, and to nowhere I'll return. And I wanna be your friend, but I'm from nowhere like the wind, and to nowhere I'll return.